Designing with glass blocks, creative ways to incorporate them into your home. Dear friends, glass blocks are a versatile and stylish material that can add a unique touch to your home design. They offer a combination of privacy, light diffusion, and aesthetic appeal, making them a popular choice for modern interiors. This video explores creative ways to incorporate glass blocks into your home, highlighting their benefits, various applications, and technical specifications. 1. Room dividers. Use glass blocks to create stylish room dividers that maintain an open feel while providing separation. This can be particularly effective in open-plan living spaces where you want to define different areas without using solid walls. 2. Bathroom walls and showers. Incorporate glass blocks into bathroom walls and showers for a sleek, modern look. They provide privacy while allowing light to filter through, creating a bright and inviting space. Glass block shower walls can also add a touch of luxury to your bathroom design. 3. Kitchen backsplashes. Create a unique kitchen backsplash using glass blocks. They add texture and interest to the space while reflecting light, making the kitchen appear larger and more open. 4. Entryways and windows. Enhance your entryway with glass block windows or walls. They allow natural light to enter while providing security and privacy. Glass block windows can also be used in basements or other areas where traditional windows may not be suitable. 5. Accent walls. Add an eye-catching feature to any room with a glass block accent wall. This can serve as a focal point and conversation starter, adding depth and dimension to your interior design. You can play with different patterns and colors to create a unique look. 6. Outdoor features. Glass blocks can be used in outdoor spaces to create stunning features such as garden walls, patio dividers, or pool enclosures. They are weather-resistant and can withstand the elements, making them a durable choice for exterior applications. 7. Furniture design. Incorporate glass blocks into custom furniture designs. For example, you can create a unique coffee table base, a kitchen island, or even a bar counter. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.